Hello everyone, welcome to Intrinsic Intelligence YouTube channel. As part of array series, today we are going to discuss on minimum in a sorted and a rotated array. How to find a minimum element in a sorted and a rotated array. It is plain and simple when we find a minimum element in a sorted array. It could be the first element or it could be the element at index 0. We can simply return the index 0. And here the tricky part is array is sorted and then it is rotated either in a left or a right way. Let us go into the examples. If you see in the first example, we have 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is sorted and it is rotated twice. So the minimum element is 1. So we should return the output as 1. So if we see the second example, 3, 1 and 2. Here also the minimum element is 1. If you see the third example, it is 4, 2 and 3. Here the minimum element is 2. So 2 is the only minimum element in the array. So let us go into the practical session of how to efficiently achieve this problem. So I have created a solution class. I have created calculate minimum element array method and return type is integer. We will be returning the minimum element and we are having the parameter array. And we have given the time and space complexity. We'll see at the end. And I have just for now I have returned -1. And I have created an array where we have 3, 4, 6, 8, 1 and 2. So here we see 1 is the minimum element which is at index 4. We should return 1 and I'm printing the result. Let me run this basic program which I have. So the minimum element is -1. So it will return -1 because we did not write any logic out here. So let us start with the coding part. Okay. First, we should remember to write the base case. So here we will write if to check whether the length of the array is 0, which means there are no elements. In that case, we will be returning -1. And okay, so now we will initialize the required variables. So what we need a left element which we will initially declare it as 0 and we will need a right one which should be -1. So we have initialized. So we will go into the logic. So what we will do here is we will do a while loop and basically what we will check is if left is less than right always. If it breaches then we are returning the value. Now we will find the middle element. We will the middle element mid element using the logic is simple. So if then array of mid is greater than right. Now what we will do here. So what we are trying to basically do is, so consider this is the middle element, which is 8 or 6, which is greater than 2, meaning we should look the minimum element in the right side. So what we will do here, we will do left to mid plus 1 else right equal to mid. So here we will return the array of left. So this will give us the basically the result. So we will run the program and we will see it should return 1. So the minimum element is 1. So the array has 3, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2. The minimum element is 1. So we are return the program and this is the logic So let us see what is the time complexity. Time complexity for a general binary search, it should be also log n, and the space complexity is simply order of 1. Yeah, so this is output. And if you guys feel like there are better ways to target this problem, please do in the comment section like what improvements we could make for this logic. And thank you once again for your time and patience in watching this video. Have a very good day.